Well, go on YouTube. A little late, but here's a quick stock versus LED headlight bulb comparison for the R1. Be sure to check out the outdoor test at the end. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna do a comparison between the stock bulb and the LED bulbs that I got off Ali. So the 194 LEDs, 10 pieces, I paid $2.50 for everything, free shipping. And then for the 87 LEDs, I bought for them for under $17. That included the shipping because they had some kind of promotion going on, so I figured I'll just jump on that because I wanted to change the look of the headlights. I didn't really like the stock bulb, how they look. And don't get me wrong, I don't have any problems with the brightness of this bulb because this is really bright. Just wanted to have that white effect, you know. Now the power consumption for the LED, I'm thinking it's gonna be less, so it's gonna be much better on the charging system on the R1. I know the halogen bulbs, like, they usually get pretty hot and they draw a lot of current. So set my power supply to 12.5 volts, and then on the left LCD that will show me the power draw or the current, like how much current it's actually pulling. All right, so I'm gonna start off with this guy, and you can see side by side the LED is just a little bit taller. It's not a big deal, it will fit in the housing. Alright, so in person it's not that bright, and it's pulling 0.37 amps at 12.5 volts. Okay, I gotta get the polarity right. Oh yeah, this one is really bright. And that's pulling 0.13 amps at 12.5 volts. Now for the stock H7. As I said, it's really bright. I can feel it. Oh yeah, this is getting like super hot. Not gonna keep it on there too long, but as you can see, it's pulling a 4.09 ish amps at 12.5 volts. It's getting really hot. Now for the LED 87. Oh wow, that's much brighter than the stock H7, and it's pulling way less amps. So it's pulling 0.71 amps at 12.5 volts. Yeah, so I think that's gonna look sick on the R1. We're gonna go downstairs and install it. I don't know if I'll take the bike out for a spin after I'm done, because the temperature is falling quite a bit. It's like +4 and it's nighttime, so I'll wait till probably tomorrow. I think tomorrow night it should be a little bit warmer, +10 ish. So yeah, and I mean, for the price, can't really complain. Give it a shot, see how long they last.